This is the part 2 of cooking. So, my mother put onions in tomato to make it more delicious. So, this is our lunch, grilled fish.
Here is the dip.
And here is the dip.
Tomato and onions.
Tomato and onions. And we will put soy sauce in it. I'm crying of onion. So now here is the soy sauce.
Yummy!
Wow! Alright guys, it's ready. It's so good. Try it. Try.